Hey guys, and welcome to yet another video on Tech Daily. Motorola Moto G4 Plus have been on the list of devices getting Android Oreo update since its launch, but has not received it yet. So today, let us break it down and use our common sense and put a full stop to this question. Motorola Moto G4 Plus smartphone was launched in May 2016. It came out of the box with Android Marshmallow. When Android Nougat was launched, it took nearly 6 to 8 months for Lenovo to roll that update out for Moto G4 Plus. The update even consisted of many bugs and issues which in a way till date is unresolved. During the time of launch, Motorola claimed that Moto G4 Plus will be getting the Android Oreo update, but I don't see that happening anytime soon or ever. Motorola used to be reliable with Android updates. There were a few years when the Moto X got new version of Android within weeks of Nexus phone, but that is sadly no longer the case. Motorola's updates are taking longer and some devices don't even get them. Security updates are also far and few in between. You can see that in the month of July, I'm getting the security patch update of month April. Last year's Moto G5 Plus have been on Nougat all this time. A very slow rollout of Oreo has just started, and that will undoubtedly be the last major update that phone sees. So if Moto G5 Plus is only getting one major Android update, you just cannot expect that Moto G4 Plus will be getting two. The G6 will most likely get Android P, but it will be very late. It's a good thing that Moto G6 has pretty good software because you will probably be using it for a long time. So that's all for this video. If you liked it, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and also leave a comment. If you are new, then make sure to hit the red subscribe button and also click on the bell icon to become a member of the notification squad. With that being said, this is me Rahul from Tech Daily bidding you guys a bye-bye. Do subscribe.